Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can check the number of apps opened each day. So at the first you have to open the settings, next you have to scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing. Right now let's go for the app timers. So if you want to check how many times you open it, for example the Google app, you have to tap on it and then scroll down, and as you can see here we can find that we opened this app 7 times today. It's 6 more than yesterday, and of course here you can change the weeks, the days. So as you can see currently we are on the March, and we can go, let's check how it goes on the weekly. So we can go for like 1 month back. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.